Hello class 10. Today I am going to start with new topics, that is heartbeat, heart sound and pacemaker in same chapter, that is the circulatory system. Okay, now today I am going to start with this heartbeat. Heartbeat, steps of a heartbeat is also called cardiac cycle. Steps of heartbeat is also called cardiac cycle. Okay, cardiac cycle में दो चीजें होती हैं. Each heartbeat consists of two main steps. Heartbeat consists of two steps. Okay, first step is that is the contrasystole. Systole is contraction phase, and the second one is diastole. Diastole is also called expansion phase. Understand it? Steps of heartbeat is also called cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle completed in two steps. First one is systole, is also called contraction, and second one is diastole, is also called expansion phase. Okay. Systole is followed by relaxing expansion phase. The full heartbeat of a human heart lasts about 0.85 seconds in humans. Okay, full heartbeat of a human heart lasts for about 0.85 seconds. At the end of the ventricular systole, the ventricle start relaxing. That is called as ventricular systole. When ventricle start relaxing, that is ventricular systole. Meanwhile, the atria have also been relaxing. That is known as atrial systole. जब relaxing होगा, that is known as diastole. Okay, and for a short period, both the atria and ventricles are relaxed in a state that is known as joint. Diastole, the whole sequence of event in the heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. Understand it? Here are two terms, ventricular diastole and atrial diastole. In ventricular diastole, ventricles start relaxing. In atrial, auricle have also been relaxing in this stage for a short period. Both the auricle and ventricle relax, that is known as joint diastole. Now next one, heart sound. Lup and dup. Lup and dup. The first sound is lup. This one is the first sound. Is known as lup. When it is produced, when tricuspid and bicuspid valves get closed. Okay, first point, it is a first sound. Second, when it's comes there, when tricuspid and bicuspid valve get closed and is at the start of ventricular systole or at the start of ventricular systole. Okay. Now here dup, it is a second sound. It is a पहले क्या sound? पहले lup sound produce होता है, after followed by dup. Lup and dup. When it's produced, tricuspid and bicuspid valve get closed, then it produces lup at the start of ventricular systole. When what is ventricular systole? When both ventricular systole, when ventricular muscle contract. Ventricular systole, when ventricular muscles contract. और जो diastole होता है, that is relaxing phase, not contraction phase. Systole always ventricular contraction phase. Systole is a contraction phase. Okay, and diastole is a relaxing or expansion phase. Dup, when it produce, when the tricuspid and bicuspid valve get closed, and when it produce, that is dup. Produced at the beginning of when at the beginning of ventricular diastole. Ventricular diastole means when ventricular muscles relaxed. That is known as ventricular diastole. What is the difference between the ventricular systole and ventricular diastole? Ventricular systole में क्या होगा? Ventricular की muscle क्या करेंगी? Contract करेंगी. और ventricular diastole में क्या होगा? Ventricular muscles क्या करेंगी? Relax करेंगी, expand करेंगी. That is known as ventricular diastole. The produce at the time of ventricular diastole and love produce at the time of ventricular systole. Means contraction phase. This one is on relaxing phase. And semilunar valve at the root of the pulmonary artery get closed. Okay, semilunar valve at the root of the pulmonary artery get closed. ये कब क्लोज होता है? जब ट्राइकस्पिड और बाइकस्पिड वॉल्व क्लोज होते हैं तब ये प्रोड्यूस होता है. ये कब प्रोड्यूस होता है? जब सेमील्यूनर वॉल्व गेट क्लोज्ड, देन इट produce. This is the difference between the la and da. Now again, this one is the first sound, this one is the second sound. When it produced, when tricuspid and bicuspid valve get closed, and when it produced, when semilunar valve get closed, and la at the start of the ventricular systole, that is known as ventricular muscle contraction. It produce when at the beginning of the ventricular diastole, means expansion phase of the ventricle, when ventricular muscle relaxed. Okay, now next one, smaller the size, faster the heart rate. What do you mean by this one? Understand it? Okay, lap and up. Now next one, smaller the size, faster the heart rate. Why? जितना बड़ा एनिमल का साइज होगा, और हार्ट के साइज पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है एनिमल के साइज का? ओके, now between the size of the body and rate of the heartbeat, size of the body and rate of the heartbeat, see, is smaller the size, faster the heart rate. Faster the heart rate means जितना बड़ा बॉडी का साइज छोटा होगा उतनी ज्यादा उसकी हार्ट बीट होगी. ना गिव अ रीजन व्हाई. स्मॉलर द साइज एंड फास्टर द हार्ट रेट. This is because smaller the animal, the more it loses its body heat due to high surface volume ratio, and therefore the increased heart rate distributes body heat faster. Secondary, the young growing stages such as the human baby have higher metabolism for body growth, and therefore the faster heart rate keeps the supply and takeoff of the metabolic substances in right quantities. Now write down, this is your homework, write answers for this reason. Smaller the size, faster the heart rate, because smaller the animal, the more it loses its body heat due to higher surface volume ratio, and therefore the increased heart rate distributes body heat faster. Okay, and secondly, the young growing stage such as the human baby have higher metabolism for body growth, and therefore the faster heart rate keeps the supply and takeoff of the metabolic substances in right quantities. This is your homework. Give a reason. Smaller the size, faster the heart rate. Now next one, that is pacemaker. Okay, see the position where it is situated. Pacemaker, also called as sinoatrial node or SAN. Sinoatrial node or SAN. Okay. Next one, pacemaker, also called sinoatrial node or SAN, sinoatrial node. Okay. The impulse or command which start the heartbeat arise in pacemaker. Heartbeat arise in pacemaker located in the wall of the right auricle. Suppose this is heart, vertically divided, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Where SAN situated? It is situated on the wall of the right auricle, on the wall of the right auricle here, the SAN. Okay. This impulses relate to the ventricles with the help of a special conducting fibers. The pacemaker is present near the opening of the superior vena cava here. Superior vena cava is here and inferior is here. Where it is situated? Here is near the superior vena cava. This sinoatrial node. What is the function? Heartbeat arise in pacemaker. Okay. Avian node, atrioventricular node, it is found near the septum, near the tricuspid wall. Okay, the bundle of muscles fiber called bundle of His begins from avian, atrioventricular node here. Atrioventricular node, that is known as avian. Okay, bundle of His arise from here, that is avian. Okay, begins from avian and extend to intraventricular septum. Intraventricular septum means this one, between the ventricular septum. Atrioventricular septum is this one, जो डिवाइड करता है आर्टरी और वेंट्रिकल को, दैट इज नोन एज एट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टम. जो वेंट्रिकल को वेंट्रिकल से डिवाइड करता है दैट इज वेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टम. ओके. Now, sometimes the pacemaker become faulty, causing heart trouble. An artificial pacemaker may be fixed in the heart of such person. Okay. Now, next one, progress check in your book. Name the following contraction phase of heart. Contraction phase क्या होती है? That is systole. Next, the structure that hold the heart valve in position, that is caudate tendency. Mention the phase of heartbeat in which both the atrioventricular valves are closed. जब दोनों valve closed हो जाते हैं तब क्या condition होती है? Atrial systole or atrial diastole. Just find out the answer and do it. Now next one, the blood vessel. The blood vessel. New topic. The blood vessels. Blood vessels are branch tubes extended from the heart to all parts of the body. They are three kinds, that is arteries, second capillaries, and third one is veins. Okay. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are branched tubes extending from the heart to all parts of the body. They are of three kinds: artery, capillaries and vein. The first, artery carries only oxygenated blood and veins carries deoxygenated blood. Exceptions are pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Okay.